Hi guys, today's video is brought to you by Boxycharm. If you are not familiar with the company, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription of beauty and skincare essentials brought to you by some of your favorite brands, typically averaging $175 for just $25 a month. You can subscribe to the Boxycharm base box and receive 5 full products based off of you. All you have to do is head to the Boxycharm website, take the beauty quiz, and they will create a personalized box based off of your answers. Once subscribed, you can upgrade from a base box to premium or luxe subscription. So if you're here watching this, click the link in the description box and get started on your subscription today. Oh, and another thing about this palette that I'm seeing, guys, is there's definitely minimal fallout, and I like that because that means that what I'm picking up is going exactly on my lid. And I feel like with eyeshadow palettes, you definitely need that because I don't want to feel like I'm wasting product or I'm overusing or having a heavy hand with it. Though it's like I could pack on what I want, but at the same time I don't have to worry about it being like an overload. Like, this is definitely a bomb palette. I'm really digging this. Really digging this. Y'all see my old school word? I'm really digging this. So what I'm going to do now is just clean off this brush again, and I'm just going to clean up the edges so that it doesn't look so harsh. And what I like about this thing, the mirror in here is like, it's not teeny. I don't feel like I have to go like this. Like, it's definitely travel friendly, but while giving me what I need to see. All right, those edges are blended out. Let's go for you now. All right, so now, like I said, I'm going to go in with that green shade right here, and I'm just gonna cut my crease with that. Not necessarily cut it because it's gonna be a soft cut crease glam. You know, I was tired of cut creases at one point, but I'm actually finding myself getting right back into them. Interesting, right? That's the pickup on that brush. Can y'all see that? There we go. And now let's go ahead and pack this onto the lid. So I'm gonna put this right about, oh my gosh, this is so buttery. Like, that's effortless. There's no freaking way. This is freaking gorgeous. Like, my heart's skipping. Like, it's like jumping right now. Like, this, are we serious? Oh my gosh, guys, this, I want to cry. Like, this, like, that's, let me do it again for you guys. Do y'all see that? That shit's wild. I didn't even mean to curse, but that shit's wild. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is, there's a lighter green here, and I'm gonna go with that because I want that transition to be nice. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. It's like a lighter green mixed in with like some gold flakes. Let's see what it's talking about. It's a, yeah, we're just gonna see what this is talking about. Oh my god. This, oh my gosh. I just can't get over like the consistency of like the buttery, the richness of it. Like, everything about this is just freaking amazing. So what I'm gonna do is blend that into that other green now. This palette is everything. I have a new freaking fave, guys. Like, this is a new fave. I don't care. Like, oh my gosh. This is everything. Like, this is no effort. Like, literally no freaking effort. Take my money, sis. Just take my money. So now I'm gonna go in with this brown again and just bring that shade over so that we have that transition like so. Same thing over here. This is wild. Wild. So another thing that I'm going to do, because I like this lavender color in here, but I also like this pink. I think I'm gonna take this cream shade right here though and pop it in my inner corner. Like, this palette is really inspiring me, guys. The color intensity is freaking amazing on this. So something else that came in this palette is that came in this box is, so another thing that came in the Boxycharm subscription box is this mascara right here. It is called the All Night Bender Black Extreme Lash Mascara, Rockins Cosmetics. And let's see, I feel like I could have given a better swatch than that. There we go. That is black indeed, so I'm just gonna put some of this on. So far, even like right now, if I just put this on, you can tell it's very much so lightweight, so you don't have to worry about feeling like your lashes are heavy, because who wants that? Like, if we're trying to be cute, why do we want heavy lashes? So I definitely do like, so I'm gonna put some on my bottom lash too, just so we can have that pop. Okay, this is cute. I like this. So first of all, this palette is definitely a freaking 10 out of 10, out of this world. I'm not getting off your socks type stuff. Like, this palette is freaking amazing. You guys need to go ahead and go get this, because it definitely needs to be in your arsenal. Definitely needs to be, it just needs to be where you are. That's how I feel about that, because this palette is gorgeous. Next thing that I'm gonna do, let's see. I'm trying to figure out how I want to take this. That mascara, like I said, is very much so lightweight. You can put on a few coats. I really don't have too many lashes as far as like my own, but I mean, I feel like the mascara itself is perfect. However, I am going to be putting on lashes because there's some lashes that came in the subscription, so I don't need to overload on mascara. But that mascara is perfect. I like a mascara that doesn't feel like I'm doing too much. So yeah, so let's go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and finish this eye look first of all. So now we're going to go in to this palette, and I'm gonna go, I don't know, kind of like a shimmer shade. I'm gonna use this right here. That's the shade Relax. And I'm gonna carry that on my waterline as well. So now let's test out the next thing. Kind of jumped over everything. So first of all, the palette that we have, that normally runs for a retail price of $45, and that's the Laura Geller palette, and that is the Casual Collection palette. So this runs for about $45. You get 12 shades, if I'm not mistaken. 3, 6, 9, yep, you get 12 shades. And for $45 for 12 shades for something that this pigmented came out of, that's a steal. That's a catch. And then the mascara that I also just used, that goes for $29. I like how it's a curved tip, so it kind of gives your lashes like that curved lash effect. And like I said, it's very much so lightweight, and I definitely feel like for my beauty lovers that either want to rock a heavy set look, or you want to rock like a natural glam, or just even just, you know, not really no makeup but you want to put some mascara on, I definitely feel like that's the mascara to go to. Those two things are the best. So the next thing I'm going to go into is this Ultra Repair Wild Oat Hydrating Toner. It's soothes and nourishes, it's alcohol free, it's safe for sensitive skin, and I very much so have definite sensitive skin, so I can't just put anything on it. And I know for a fact that when I go for products, I try to go away from like less harsh stuff, so less alcohol based stuff, unless I'm cleaning my face. I mean, even still, like, I'd rather you use an oil based cleaner or cleanser to clean my face with rather than something alcohol that's strong and I know for a fact it's going to be harsh on my skin and cause me to break out. So give me something soft and smooth. I know most people like to feel like, I need to feel like it's coming off my face. You'd be surprised how much oil actually works. So this actually runs for, and this is the, it's by First Aid Beauty. This normally runs for about $22. It's alcohol free, oatmeal powered. So it says this ultra light milky hydrating toner helps soothe skin with nourishing blend of oat derived ingredients and propolis extract. I think I said that right, guys. It says honey and hyaluronic acid. Directions after cleansing skin, applies to cotton pad and swipe over face and pat directly into skin with fingers. So we're just gonna go ahead and test this out anyway. Oh, dummy me. Safely. I already shook it up for you guys. I'm not sure if you had to, but I just felt like, you know, it's liquid, you kind of got to shake it up. Okay, so it's very liquidy. It's not like creamy or anything like that. Oh, but so I think this thing said it was hydrating, and it definitely, I tell you, I definitely need to get some more storage because this ain't it with this one. But like I was saying about the Ultra Repair Toner, it definitely feels like my skin got an IV. Oh, and it's so smooth to the touch. I was rubbing it in for you guys, like I can feel the difference in what it is. Like, use this as a lotion. Like, this is really good for some skin. I'm gonna, matter of fact, when I do a skincare routine, because I feel like mine's definitely changed, because I feel like my second son definitely changed my skin. I'm definitely gonna do these for you guys because this feels freaking amazing. Now this actually runs for, it says $22 if I didn't say that already, but I'm proud of this. This stuff feels good. I feel like if I can have this with this and this, and once I find me a good, well actually I have the, it's not Ceraphil or Cetaphil, it's CeraVe. It's one of those, but I'm gonna wash my face with that and see how that feels too, because I heard it's really gentle on the skin. That's what I need right now. But anyway guys, going back to this, that runs for $22. So the next thing on this list is this Claire New York's Advanced Serum Vitamin E. It's hyaluronic acid. Okay, so one thing for sure that I know that Boxycharm has been doing lately is giving me a lot of skincare and skin prep stuff. I have so many oils, it's ridiculous. I don't even know what to do with them. I have so much oils. Like, when I find them all, if I can count on hand, I know that's 3 from that brand. I think I got about 4 from Boxycharm, so that's 7, 8, 9. This is 10. I have so many face oils, it's ridiculous, and I should never run out, and my skin should always be good. So definitely gonna test this out for you guys. So right now, this normally runs for about $25 too. Let me see, does it have a smell? Oh wait, let me shake it up. Okay, no smell, so you don't have to worry about that. Oh wow. I'm gonna put a dot on there. Drop down. Okay, so it's very oily. It's not like the Wild Oat. This one definitely is a little bit thicker, more goopy in texture. It definitely has some hydration to it too. So far, it's definitely, ooh. Now that afterfeel feels good. I feel like so the texture it has in the beginning is very goopy and like massaging. It feels like, you know, extremely like wet, like you just washed your face again. But then like as you keep massaging it in, it's like it gets smoother and smoother until like it presses deep into your skin. So I definitely feel like this is massage activated, if that makes sense. Like, it makes you want to keep putting it in your pores and setting it in there. But that's definitely a must. I actually like the way that feels. It feels really good. I feel like those 2 skincare products are definitely a must. And then last but not least, we have the lashes. These are the Lava Beauty Flirty Lash Set. It looks like it comes with a lash adhesive, the eyelash tweezers, and the lashes itself. So these are in the style Flirty. Let's see what these are talking about, because I like some very bold lashes, and when I don't have bold lashes I get upset because I'm just like, oh, these are boring. But hopefully these aren't boring. They don't look like they'd be boring. Oh, what's that? Oh, so it comes like with a little note. This is cute. It's like a little step note, like it tells you what to do and how to add it. Well, I already know how to do this. Okay, I'm gonna measure and trim. Yep, you know all of that. So I wish it came with a mirror though, but I'm not gonna be picky because she gave me everything else. I definitely like the lashes, and I definitely like the glue. So I have a new fave. I definitely feel like this one makes it easier to tack on though, and it's less goopy and bulky as far as the glue is. Because I feel like with the by Envy glue, even though it's my favorite, I definitely feel like it leaves like clumps of glue, and then you have to go over it with some eyeshadow and stuff just to fix it and hide it. And after a while that can get kind of annoying, having to constantly do that. Get off, get off, get off. I like how it just blends in like with your natural like lash line. Where did the glue go? But guys, I'm going to do my lips off camera, and then I'm going to give you a rundown of everything again, because pretty much the end of the video. I just want you guys to get an overall rating about this month's box. Alright guys, so this is the finished look with everything else on there. These lashes are super duper bomb. First of all, like you guys are giving me what it needs to give me. Also, make sure you guys follow me on TikTok, because I actually uploaded a full tutorial, kind of sort of, on how to do that, and it's at, let me see, because I don't even know my own TikTok name. Isn't that crazy? TikTok. My TikTok name is the THE Missy Money E. I'll be dropping it in here in the description box and everything, along with all the other information in here. Guys, like, these lashes are freaking everything. I am here for them. I actually love them a lot. I feel like these make me feel like a grown woman. What do you think? Because I think so. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Like I said, everything else to run down. So what you saw me use in the beginning, which is the eyeshadow palette, which I have right here for you guys, the 12 shaded palette, that is $45, and this is what I used to create this whole eye look. And then the next thing we have is the Lava Beauty Lash Set. I have in the style Flirty, which just came with the tweezers, the lash glue, and these lashes. Bomb. And these are what they came with in a cute little box. And those run for $54. This is actually their new launch. You guys need to get up on this, because this is really, 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 really cute. I actually like them. I feel like they're very natural, lightweight. Don't feel them on my face. If you can see the lashes, you're not wearing braces. The next thing was the First Aid Beauty, the Wild Oat Hydrating Toner. This is a must-have. So for the winter time, I definitely feel like this is a must, because you know you start to lose your color in the wintertime, so I definitely feel like this as well. It's soothing, it soothes it and nourishes it. It's definitely lightweight. I definitely love this. I will be giving you guys an updated version on this and the hyaluronic acid. That first bottle that I showed you actually runs for $22, and the hyaluronic acid runs for $25. These are both good to have in your skincare routine. Like I said, they both feel like they give me the same thing, but I feel like, you know, why not? So I'm definitely going to give you guys an updated tutorial on that as well. And the last thing was the Rockins All Night Bender. And that's the mascara. This mascara is bomb. I actually love it a lot. I feel like it gave me what I needed for my lashes. It's lightweight. It doesn't feel like flaky or crusty or crumbly. I definitely love this. So make sure you guys definitely sign up for your Boxycharm subscription. Remember, you got 3 to 6 to 12 months. The base box includes 5 full brand name products. They can range from anything from lashes to skincare to makeup to anything, guys. Just be sure to subscribe for those boxes. And I definitely feel like if you're trying to grow your arsenal or grow like your makeup or skincare routine and stuff like that, this is definitely the way to go for you guys. And then also you guys can, you know, kind of give like a rundown of like who you are, what do you like, and they're gonna form a box together for you guys, so that way you can get your dream box in every box that you get each month. So definitely sign up with Boxycharm. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to check out my next video, and I will see you guys next time.